What is going on, guys? How are you? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we have another unboxing. This is coming from a brand called Welly Merck. They are a relatively new brand on AliExpress. They reached out to me asking if I want to do a review to some of their watches. I said yes. Today is just an unboxing and first impressions. I'll put links down below into the description box. I don't know what watches I have in here. I've asked for three models. I don't know if they sent them, so I'm kind of expecting, but I'm not entirely sure. I decided to do more of these unboxing videos just to give you guys a taster of future videos on the channel. So these will be reviewed soon enough on the channel, so stick around if you don't want to miss that, and subscribe to the channel, honestly, if you don't want to miss that. And also the links for these watches will be in the description box below. Now, enough waffle. I've been speaking for 1 minute. Let's get into, whoops, that was a fail. Let's get into this box and have a look at what we have here. Now, so or like this. There you go. Anyway, let's get into these things. So first up, let's put these two aside and then just see what we have in this. So I might actually need to pull up the knife one more time. Now, so which one did we get in this one? The box is pretty simple. I suppose, you know, these will be around, depending, I think, from whatever you choose, it could be around starting from $50 all the way up to just below 200 if I'm not mistaken. Again, links down below if you want to check them out. I don't know which one I have in here. Let's see what we got. So that is, oh, okay. This is pretty cool. I like this. Okay, let's see. So let's see what else. Welly Merck watch. Yeah, daily maintenance of watches. Move that around, and this is for the sizing tool, so bracelet sizing tool. The thing is, I think all watch reviewers have these things around, and to be completely honest, you can never have too many of these. They always break, or you never have one that is good enough. Anyway, let's put that aside and have a look at the watch. All right, so this is the Chronograph. I kind of like this pouch, to be honest. This is the Chronograph. Now, I don't know specs off the top of my head, so if you'll excuse me if I'm getting any of these things wrong. Okay. As far as I remember, again, price will be down below. This is, okay, let's have a look here. So this is, let's see. Okay, that works. Smooth. All right. So this is probably, all right. That looks pretty cool. Dial is nicely printed. So let's see if it stops. No. Okay, that doesn't work properly. The pusher on the top to stop it. So this is probably a Seiko VK64, if I'm not mistaken, because that doesn't have the running seconds hands. Again, forgive me if I'm mistaking the two, but judging by the snapback of the seconds hand, it looks to me like a, I'd probably say, nice engraving on the back of rockets, and it looks to me. Okay, so you just have to press this a little harder. Starts again, stops, okay. Aligns relatively perfect. Okay. All right, this is good. All right, butterfly clasp. Obviously, we have, let me see, push pins. And that's kind of wobbly. We have solid links. This is very nice. All right. We're off to a good start, I have to say. I don't know if this is sapphire. It has a bit of a dome to it. But yeah, it looks like it's a Speedmaster, but not actually a Speedmaster. Doesn't have the same thickness on the case. good start. Good start. Now let's put this aside. Next one. Okay. Looks like I don't need the knife anymore. All right. Let me see. What do we have here? Okay. That's very nice. Moving that aside. Drum roll. I should just really stop doing that. Okay, so this is the GMT. Right, I remember this. The Blue Dial GMT. Okay, and this, if I'm not mistaken, this is a NH34 powered GMT. By the way, some of you probably might give out to me for breaking the plastic like that, but that's okay. I really don't care. All right, milled clasp, milled lower actually, stamped upper. That looks okay. I think this is around 160 if I'm not mistaken, but this actually looks really, really good. A bit of an explorer vibe to it, obviously. That is not a screw down crown. That's okay. 10 atmospheres, that's okay. That's also okay. This looks pretty good, I'll give you that. All right. Hands are interesting. Okay. Solid end links, male solid end links. Let me see. Position, sorry, date at the 4 o'clock. Yeah, that is the GMT hand. NH34. This is looking good. This is looking promising. Now, that is not the best quality, but the head of the watch looks pretty nice. Okay, good start, good start. So, 2 out of 3. Let's try this, the other one. Okay. We know that there is nothing in there, but this. Oh, and this is the Moonphase. I've seen this. All right. There you go. I'm going to I'm going to take the plastic off like a normal human being. Whatever that is. Guys, this is really, really nice. First impressions. Nicely printed. I mean, I think this is around or just below $80. Just below $100 or so. It ticks beautifully. Look at that. So they replaced the date wheel with a Moonphase. Some of you might think that, you know, I haven't been doing this for a very long time, but this is actually probably the first Moonphase watch that I've had on the channel. And this is very nice. I don't know the movement inside, I'm not gonna lie. Judging by the rotor, which is nicely it's not decorated, it has some striping on there, very nice. 5 atmosphere. Probably some sort of seagull, if I'm not mistaken. But this is insanely good looking, an insanely good looking watch. Honestly, if you need a dress watch, first impressions, this would be really good. I don't know if those things are loomed, but who cares? Very nice. All right, so let's put these aside. Yeah, butterfly clasp. Also push pins to adjust, so it's okay. It's not the end of the world. We can live with that. Solid end links. I like the way that movement looks. Honestly, it looks really, really good. And at first impression, unless we get this under a macro lens, the printing on that Moonphase complication or moon complication, whatever you like to call it, that looks really, really good. Right, so let's clean this a little bit and have a look at these watches side by side. Okay, let's put all these things aside. So, by the way, guys, I don't know the exact models for these off the top of my head. I'll put the link to the store down below if you guys want to check them out. Stick around if you don't want to miss the future video on all these three. I will try and do one video to include all of them. But yeah, this was a very good first impression of Welly Merck watches. So thanks again for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Click like, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the future video where I'll do the review. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.